If you have ever welded anything on a car, you know that you may find yourself in some tricky situations. Remember that last time you tried to weld around a piece of exhaust under the car and you couldn't quite get your torch up there? Yeah, that's where this thing really comes in handy. We're talking about the Eastwood Flex Head MIG torch. This thing is a game changer for anyone working on project cars, or honestly, any kind of welding in a shop. Check this out. The flexible head, see how it pivots? This isn't just a gimmick, folks. This allows you to get into those tight areas with some crazy angles that a standard MIG torch just can't reach. Remember trying to weld that seam tucked up underneath the floor pan? Yeah, me too. It's not fun. This flexibility is crucial. Think about all those awkward positions you find yourself in when working on a car. Floor pans, frame rails, exhaust, you name it. This torch lets you keep your hand in a comfortable position, which means more control and cleaner welds. All right, a little tech tip here. We talked about where this is useful, but we wanted to show you how it's useful. Right here, we're emulating an exhaust with a floor pan in the way. So we gave ourselves a little space. You would have hangers here traditionally, but where this really comes in handy, say you were trying to weld on the top side of the exhaust, which on this case is our bottom side. Yes, a traditional torch is going to be something like this. You could get up there and you're going to be contorting your hand all different directions, or you can just go ahead and bend this torch a little bit just like that. You're still going to have your hand in the normal orientation you're used to, and it's going to help you go along a lot faster. The other thing to note, when it's a straight line like this, I found myself using this a lot under cars, especially the sheet metal on the Range Rover. I've seen Brian use it. So you actually are able to come on a little head on. This helps when there's two things in the way. And then lastly, if you need to just go ahead and weld at home, you can have your normal orientation. It's not just about the flex head. This torch is built tough. It's rated for up to 200 amps, so it can handle a wide range of welding projects. It's compatible with our MIG 140, MIG 180, and Elite MP200i AC/DC welders. It even uses the standard Tweco-style consumables. Pair that with a generous 8-foot cable, and you have a super versatile, super strong MIG torch. Whether you're patching up some rust, fabricating custom parts, or just doing general repairs, this torch can handle it. We've used it on everything from thin sheet metal to thicker frame components, and it's performed flawlessly every time. One of the things I really appreciate is the ease of use. The trigger is responsive, and the overall feel of the torch is solid. It's comfortable to hold, even for extended periods of time, which is important when you're tackling a big project. And maintenance is a breeze. Changing contact tips or nozzles is quick and easy, so you can spend more time welding and less time fiddling around with your equipment. Look, if you're serious about your project car, or if you just want a more versatile MIG torch for your shop, the Eastwood Flex Head MIG torch is a must-have. It's going to save you time, frustration, and it's going to help you get those welds done right. In a nutshell, it's about getting clean, precise welds, even in the most challenging situations. And that's what this torch delivers. So if you're ready to take your welding game to the next level, check out the Eastwood Flex Head MIG torch. To check out this product or any other welding equipment we offer, visit eastwood.com. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, keep those projects rolling.